God same. Ayan si Senior San Antonio de Padua. Merry Christmas to all of us. This one is the church of here in Baghdad. Senior San Antonio de Padua also. It's finished. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for having a good health and more blessings. And Merry Christmas again to all my family in the Philippines, sa Surigao City, at saka sa Dinagat Island, and to all friends, and my old YouTuber, may pang ganun, proud, sabay pang ganun, proud. Yeah, because I just not every Sunday I attend the mass. Sometimes only. I'm very lucky kung every Sunday, no. Just Christmas. Surely ang Christmas talaga yun. I'm here. To give good health for myself, magiging okay lahat ang kalusugan na meron ako. Salamat. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of us. Okay, so now I go out na. And I go to buy some candle. Okay? Yan na yun. Andyan yun si Father, the old Father Vincent. Senior na yata yun. Some Christian also outside. So now I buy my candle. I have money enough pa. Isa lang yata yun o dalawa. One or two? One?
One.
I didn't buy a souvenir now because I have no money, no? No more? I have man siguro pa. I try, I have 500 pa. Okay, so I check for our Christmas tree. This one for outside. Merry Christmas. How I can put this one on the door? I need something to put to the door. This one, we can use this one for the door outside. Outside of the door? So how I can make cake only directly, or there is I need pa. Yeah, so I need to put something pa. Ano na lang kaya siguro bell?
This light.
We have na in the house. We have a lot na. I'm looking to put something on si Mama Nuan. I'm from Philippines. Yeah. So I work in UEA and then I jump here. I cruise. You know, I'm almost 6 years here.
You visit
To visit first. But legal because I have an employer until now. Thank you. I'm looking something to put sa binay. Ibigay ko kaya kay Sisi. Ibigay ko kay Celine. Santa Claus na lang. Souvenir. Or Merry Christmas. Ito si Santa Claus. Itabi. Dapat sa pintuan kasi. Welcome. Pag-ito ko si Santa. Headband. We have headband no more. Have too much headband na kasi nahangan si Anna. Para additional souvenir. Ito souvenir ko na lang sa Christmas tree namin. In our house. This one there how much?
2,000.
Okay. عم التبخير
أيام شكرا عم الخير.
أخبارك؟
والله الحمد لله.
الحمد لله. ماكو جمال.
والله البارحة بالليل كانوا اليوم شوية تعبانين.
سلمي عليك. يلا مع السلامة.
مع السلامة. سلميني.
Thank you, sir. Merry Christmas again. So now I hear what candle na. Okay. Ay, sorry. Okay, so say bye-bye again, and I make first candle. Okay, so I say thank you. Thank you. Thank you to all subscriber of mine. Thank you that you are still support of YouTube channel. Thank you to all viewers that you are watching Simply video that I have. Don't forget to subscribe, share, likes, and comment. Okay? Merry Christmas also. And God bless us all. God will be provide everything to all. Nationwide and worldwide. Hindi man kayo you are not subscriber of mine, or no, or yes, God bless us all. And God provide everything that we have. Okay, so thank you again. Bye! Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
Kalau